All of us have had expectations about a class going into it that were ultimately proven wrong by the experience that we have had in that class. And that is exactly what has happened to me this semester in my public speaking class. Coming into the class, I did have expectations about the difference between my public speaking classes before and this class. As well, I did have expectations about the requirements for this class. One of the expectations I did have was that this class would be fairly easier than my other public speaking classes because it was online and my other two classes had been seated. Now, when it came to giving my speeches, I figured that it would be less nerve-wracking because in the seated classes, I would give speeches in front of 30 to 40 people, which made it very nerve-wracking for me. But it came to prove after the first few speeches that doing an online speech could be just as nerve-wracking as doing one in front of a class. As well, when it came to my expectations about the requirements of this class, I had the expectation that, for example, 5 minutes long speech, I figured that that would be no problem. I mean, it takes me 5 minutes to tie my shoes but as going along through the semester, I did realize that it does take a good amount of effort as well as a good amount of preparation and information to make your speech last at least 5 minutes long. Now, as far as the things that I have learned in this class, I have learned that it's important to grab the attention of an audience. As well, I have learned how to make my ideas flow from one idea to another idea smoothly without being choppy or any pauses or stuttering. This has helped me greatly because I work in a call center for a company named TSYS, and when I'm speaking to the client, these things help me relate my ideas better and take care of the client's situation better. As far as grabbing the attention, I can hold the client's attention better and assist them with their problems. And when flowing from one idea to the other easily and smoothly, it helps me get the call done faster and take care of the client's needs faster. As for introductions that I've learned in speech, the introductions are critical and set the mood for the speech. Just as well, when I answer the phone, it sets the mood for the speech and helps me make the cardholder or client more comfortable when speaking to me. This has proven very effective. All in all, it has been a long semester. There have been their ups and downs, but I have learned a lot in this class and my expectations have been exceeded.